Whoa, hey guys, welcome to Phonebrother, and today I have two new phones for you, Hotwav Hyper7 Pro and Xiaomi 15 Ultra. And next, let's talk it one by one. So the first one is the Hotwav Hyper7, and then we will talk about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Yes, this is the left one is the Hotwav new Roger device. And for this phone, a special one compared to the last generation is they added a dynamic LED light at the back side and back panel, and also they used a mecha style designed back panel, and this really make you stand out from the crowded. And for the front side, it's just like the normal Roger phones for color enhanced, and the screen synced into the edge. And if we go to the settings, we can find the basic information about the device. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chip, and this Hyper Engine 3.0 powered engine, and also it supports RAM 8 plus Retro 12 plus 250 GB ROM, and also it's a LPDDR5 and UFS 3.10. So one supported RAM and ROM, and also the screen 6.6 FHD plus and 2K display resolution. And it's the same like the Hyper7 Pro, and also the battery 10,800 big battery with 33 watt fast charging, and also the front camera 32 megapixel, and also the rear camera 64 megapixel. And for this is another big difference compared to the last generation. It doesn't support the night vision. It just get an auxiliary camera, no 24 megapixel night vision camera. Okay, yeah. So now we turn on the party mode, and we find the dynamic LED light. It can have different mode, just single color, pure color, or different colors for the dynamic LED light, and this is cool. And if we turn on the camper light, so you get two shining light, and for the camper light it's 208 lumens, and it's 510 bird LED light around it. And now it's the SOS light, now two light shining, and this is very cool, especially under the dark environment, dark place. This is really stand out. So yes, this is the Hotwav Hyper7. Yes, for the camper light and battery, same like the Hyper7 Pro. So you can let me know which one you like, and don't forget this is a Roger device, IP6A, IP69K, and military stand 810 military stand supported. And this is a camera and 64 megapixel, Pro mode and night mode. Yes, this is the camera. And after the camera, now I will show you the most powered and powered camera phone, Xiaomi 15 Ultra. The company engineered with Leica to provide the super powerful camera solutions. It's called camera system. For the main camera is 50 megapixel, and also the 50 megapixel telephoto and 50 megapixel wide angle and 200 megapixel periscope and 250 megapixel ultra wide. And for selfie, 32 megapixel. And also we go to settings to check more information. For this one, the display and the processor of this one, they use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm Bluetooth technology CPU and GPU Android 830. RAM and ROM 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM, or you can choose the 1 TB or 512 GB ROM. It supports UFS 4.0 and LPDDR5X. and this is also powered by the Android 14, Android 15, and the Xiaomi HyperOS 2. And for the other features, it supports the satellite communication from Tiantong, and the micro curved screen, which is 6.73-inch screen, and the screen to body ratio reached to 89.7%, and also they use the Xiaomi Shared Glass 2.0, and also the PPI 522 and 1440 3200 pixels 20:9 ratio. And one of the most important feature about the device is the super powerful camera system. 120 Hz, 120 times zoom. For the camera part, it's much better than the larger phones. But I think they're not the same level. If we compare the camera, it's not equal. But that they stand for two kinds of phones, niche phones or the normal phones. Both are kind of flagship model. Yes, and you can let me know which one you like. Okay, so next, and I will show you the details of the Hyper 7. And I will show you this is the customized key. Yes, the red one, it's a customized key. You can set it as a shortcut for single, double, or long press. So we can set it, open flashlight for one click, and also the double click. Underwater camera, and also for long press we can set it as a screenshot shortcut. And for the larger phones, I think this is one of the best functions I like. Besides the IP6A, IP69K, and military standard 810 rate for the waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, these functions I really like it, especially for some special circumstance. It's very useful. And for the larger phones, you are not worried about drop it or to go any place, you can use it. Not like the normal phones, normally you will have a case for it to protect it. You're worried about scratch or hurt it, especially for the glass back panel or something. For me, for the larger phones, I never use case, and I just drop it anytime, anywhere. It's okay. Don't worry about it. And okay, I tested the screenshot function. Very nice. And also the next is the dynamic LED light I mentioned before. And this is also the RGB dynamic light, and it's also different features compared to the last generation Hyper 7 Pro. Though this one, the basic one, doesn't support the 200 megapixel and night vision and second screen, but I support this, and this is I also like it. It's very funny features. Yes, the thickness we can find for the larger phone is much thick than the normal phones. And also for the camera, it's not as, to be frank, not as good as the big brand. But both, now there are new devices in the market for larger phone and for the future normal phone, normal designed flagship model phone. Yes. So maybe for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, you can use this as the main one, and for the Hotwav Hyper7, you can use this the backup or standby one. Okay, so this is today's main content, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned, waiting for more gadgets from here. Bye bye.